Hey, it's Apple Buff and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you about a useful software that you can use to fix your Apple logo stuck iDevice. So without further ado, let's roll the video. So the name of the software is UltFone iOS Repair, which comes from the house of UltFone. And for those who don't know what UltFone is all about, to them all I would like to tell the fact that UltFone is one of the leading companies when it comes to making softwares, plus they are a trustable source. So getting back to their featured product for the day, that's UltFone iOS Repair, which basically is one of the best iOS system repair tools that gets your back when your iPhone gets stuck on Apple logo or spinning wheel icon, and it can even fix more than 150 serious iOS related problems. Moreover, it's a free software that can be downloaded from their official site, but of course, the link to their site is in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. Once you have installed the software either on your Mac or Windows laptop, just run the software. On running the software, you will realize that the interface has now been updated that makes it cleaner than ever before. So as to fix the iOS related problem, we will dive in by clicking on the Start button. So once you tap the Start button, you will be provided with two options. That's Standard Repair and Deep Repair. So in this video, we'll take a look at both of these one by one. To start off, let's start with Standard Repair, that is capable of fixing most common iOS issues without any data loss. After selecting the first option, the very first thing that you have to do is connect your iPhone to the PC so that the software learns about your device. Once done, the UltFone software will provide you with a firmware package that you have to download in order to fix the issue. Once the firmware has successfully been downloaded, just click on the blue button that says Start Standard Repair and just wait for the process to get finished. And just after the process of repair is successfully completed, you can now unplug the connected iDevice and start using it as before. Just in case if Standard Repair fails to fix the iOS issue, the UltFone software also offers Deep Repair that is designed to fix crucial software related issues and even offers a higher success rate. And just like before, we need to download the recommended firmware package once the device is connected to the PC. Once downloaded, just click on the blue button that says Start Deep Repair and just wait for the process to get finished. And during this process, the UltFone software will also remove the iPhone screen passcode for you. Once the process of repair is successfully done, you can proceed to set up the connected iDevice and even unplug it. So with that being said, this is Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.